Hello curious collectors and knowledge seekers. Welcome back to What is Strengths, diving into the superpowers of CliftonStrengths. I'm Khanh, here to explore a theme that resonates with those who love to gather information. Input. For those who cherish knowledge and are always looking out for more data, ideas, or objects, this episode will celebrate and enhance your natural inclination to collect and archive. Imagine your mind as a treasure trove, always expanding with new finds. That's the essence of input. This strength involves an insatiable curiosity to know more and the subsequent collection of information that might be useful later. It's for those who love acquiring and sharing knowledge. Those with the input theme are like the librarians of the world, not just in terms of books, but in all domain of knowledge. They bring depth and resources to their teams, able to actually pull out relevant information or resources that precisely meets the need of that specific situation. For those who thrive on input, here's how you can leverage this wealth of knowledge. Curate collections. Whether physical objects or data, curate collections that not only interest you, but also be resourceful for others. Share your knowledge. Regularly share interesting findings with your peers or through blogs, podcasts, or presentations. Your knowledge can inspire and educate. Organize information sharing sessions. Host regular meetings or workshops where you and others can share and discuss new information. Become a go-to resource. Position yourself as a subject matter expert whom others can rely on for precise and comprehensive knowledge. Utilize digital tools. Use digital tools to organize and share your collections, making them accessible and useful. And if input isn't your top strength, you can still develop it. Cultivate curiosity. Make it a habit to learn something new every day, whether through a book, article, podcast, or conversation. Start small collections. Begin with small collections that interest you, whether it's quotes, facts about a specific topic, or an interesting news article. Engage with collectors. Spend time with those who have strong input talents to observe how they gather and use information. Are you a natural collector of information, or are you exploring ways to satisfy your curiosity more effectively? Share how you gather and use information in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into unlocking the power of your strengths. Today we've delved into the fascinating world of input, discovering how our collections and knowledge enrich our lives and those around us. But our exploration doesn't end with collections. Next time we'll focus on the theme focus. For those who excel at setting goals and staying on a clear path to achieving them, focus will offer valuable insights into enhancing your concentration and eliminating distractions. I'm Khanh, and it's been a pleasure to uncover the intriguing aspect of input with you on What is Strengths, diving into the superpowers of CliftonStrengths. Remember to subscribe, join the conversation below, and tune in next time as we continue to discover the strengths that drive our dedication and sharpen our goals. Until then, keep collecting, keep learning, and let your curiosity guide your journey.